They've also given rise to a poster war that's being played out on the ground. DD India's Gautam Roy reports.
Elections are known for a war of words, either in political rallies or in newsrooms. But they're also known for posters. And the poster war in these Bihar elections has peaked just ahead of counting day. On one hand, you have the ruling Janata Dal United, which has had Chief Minister Nitish Kumar in place ruling the state for almost 2 decades now, which is why you have parties' leaders putting up posters such as these, which says Tiger Abhi Zinda Hai, which essentially means Tiger is still alive. But on the other hand, you have a rival like the Rashtriya Janata Dal RJD and its younger leader Tejasvi Yadav, who's asserting that he wants to bid goodbye to Nitish Kumar's government, which is why the poster says Alvida Chacha, which means goodbye uncle. So this is how the war of posters, or the poster war, has reached a new level in these elections in Bihar.
Poster wars aside, the exit polls, coupled with an unprecedented turnout of 67.13% in Bihar, have given a sharper edge to the war of words between the two main rivals. More than half a dozen exit polls, which came out after the end of the second phase of polling, have spoken in one voice. Even if the poll predicting the least number of seats is considered, the Modi-Nitish-led NDA is expected to go beyond the halfway mark of 122 seats to attain a simple majority in Bihar Assembly. If the maximum number of seats forecast by any exit poll is considered for the NDA, it could even win a two-third majority. The exit polls and even the turnout spurt has lifted the NDA's spirit ahead of the results. It has credited its leadership at both the center and the state for the predicted outcome.
युवाओं को नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो गारंटी दिया है उनके भविष्य का, तो इन सब कारणों से भी जो है वोट का परसेंटेज बढ़ा है। जनता ने मैंडेट स्पष्ट कर दिया है कि एनडीए की सरकार बनने जा रही है।
जो आप लोगों ने आंकड़ा पेश कर रहे हैं, जो मीडिया के साथ एग्जिट पोल के माध्यम से दिखाया जा रहा है, उससे भी बेहतर इस बार एनडीए का प्रदर्शन होगी। और इस बार बिल्कुल जनता ने ये साबित कर दिया है और ये बता दिया है, विकास और सुशासन को यहाँ भरोसा जताया जनता ने।
But the rival Mahagathbandhan's RJD questions the credentials of the exit polls. It asserts that the increased turnout of voters indicates a mandate seeking change.
जो एग्जिट पोल आया है ये पूरी तरह से अमान्य है। ये कोई भी एजेंसी वैसी नहीं है जिसको मान्यता मिला हो, और स्पष्ट रूप से बिहार की जनता का जो विश्वास तेजस्वी जी के नेतृत्व पर है, वो 72 लाख अतिरिक्त वोटर्स को भी उसका एहसास हुआ।
Clearly, with the exercise of their franchise, Bihar's voters have left no doubt in anyone's mind as to their keenness to having a say in the future. But they have always kept alive the mystery of the outcome. With camera person Vicky Rajput, Gautam Roy's report, DD India.